Everyone's saying that data analyst jobs are disappearing, but is that really true? You have probably seen those viral posts saying AI is replacing analysts or companies don't need data analysts anymore. But before you believe that, let me show you what's actually happening behind those headlines and why this might be a best time to become a data analyst. So stick till the end because I'll show you real job markets and what skills are in demand right now. Look here, when you search data analysts on LinkedIn, there are still thousands of openings. In the UK alone, there are over 15,000 listings right now. In the US, more than 60,000. So the truth is, the jobs haven't disappeared. What has changed is what companies expect from analysts. They're no longer hiring for Excel-only analysts. They're hiring data translators, people who can understand data, tell a story, and automate insights. So here's why people think data analyst jobs are declining. Reason 1, AI. Everyone assumes ChatGPT and other AI tools can replace humans, but in reality, these tools really need humans to understand and interpret results. Reason 2, goal overlap. Titles like data scientist, business analyst, and analytical engineers confuses people. Many companies rename the same job with different titles. And reason 3, entry level saturation. A lot of beginners apply for jobs without having any real projects experience. So the competition for junior level roles are high compared to the mid level. Companies now want SQL and Python for automation, Power BI or Tableau for dashboards, business communication skills, understanding how to use AI tools for faster analysis. If you combine these technical tools with communication and problem solving skills, you will be irreplaceable because AI can not talk with the stakeholders or understand the context. So that's exactly why companies still invest heavily in data teams. So, according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, the data jobs are projected to grow over 20% around the world in the next few years. And here's proof. Demand for business intelligence and data analytics keeps increasing as companies rely more on data-driven decisions. So instead of worrying about declining, focus on evolving, learn how to work with AI tools. That's a real skill gap most people ignore. So no, data analyst jobs aren't dying. They are just trans. If you're serious about building your career in data, start leveling up now. If you found this helpful, please do like, subscribe, and follow Data with Jamal. Thank you.